This is going to be a video product review of the ANPHSIN Retractable Gap Dust Cleaning Brush. It's a telescopic microfiber dust cleaner. It's washable, it's got a long handle. It's great for cleaning under the bed, under the sofa, under furniture. It's flexible, it goes from 39 to 55 inches, which is pretty awesome. I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description. Click on the link, it will take you straight there. If my videos help you out, you know the routine. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. Want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. So what do we get with this thing? Get this handle over here. And look at that extension. It's a nice extension. So if you want to climb up on the wall a little bit, you can do that. This is your cleaning piece over here. You got the little plastic part with the screw. Threaded piece. You screw your knob into the threaded piece. And there you've got kind of like a mop. And if you want, as I said, you can extend it. Very easy to turn. Got a nice plastic handle over here with a hook, so you can hang that up on a nail. And this is the cleaning piece. As I said, it comes with another attachment. For the price, you can't beat it. It's like having an extra mop, a little broom or something. Makes it very easy. Imagine that this is a sofa and you're going under the sofa. You're able to bend this thing and get in there and clean under the sofa, get all the dirt, all the crumbs from when you're eating while you're sitting there. Get under a cabinet, get under a bed. Very easy to do. So you extend your handle as far as you need to and you go sliding all the way in, and then you clean, you do your cleaning, you do your mopping. Microfiber, so it's not going to scratch anything. It's great for floors, great for furniture. And then when you're finished, if you need to, you remove this little sock over here, put that in the washer, and while you're waiting for it to wash, you have another sock, another microfiber mop to put on the end of this so that you can mop all the time. You're always able to mop and keep your house nice and clean. And when you're done, you just screw the handle this way, tighten it down, and you can hang this on a hook. You can put this in the closet, and it's a perfect additional mop to the house. Make sure you purchase this. I'll leave the affiliate link in the video description so you can buy this today.